Medicines don't simply appear on pharmacy shelves. Each pill, tablet, or syrup has a story, a journey that begins long before it reaches your hands. Today we'll explore how medicines are developed, using paracetamol as our example. This process involves careful scientific steps, strict regulations, and a commitment to patient safety. Understanding this journey helps us appreciate the work behind every medicine we take. Let's start by looking at why drug development is so important and how it impacts our daily lives. Paracetamol, also known as acetaminophen, is one of the most widely used medicines for pain relief and fever reduction. Its popularity comes from its effectiveness and relatively mild side effects compared to other painkillers. But how did paracetamol become a household name? The answer lies in decades of research and development. By understanding paracetamol's journey, we can better grasp the complexity of drug development and the importance of scientific innovation. Every medicine starts with discovery. Scientists search for targets in the body, like enzymes or receptors, that play a role in disease or symptoms. For paracetamol, researchers wanted to find compounds that could relieve pain and reduce fever without causing harmful side effects. This stage is all about curiosity and exploration, as scientists investigate how different chemicals interact with the human body. It's the foundation of all drug development. Identifying a target is crucial. Scientists focus on molecules in the body that influence disease or symptoms. For pain and fever, they look for pathways that can be safely altered. This step requires deep knowledge of biology and chemistry. By pinpointing the right target, researchers set the stage for designing effective medicines. It's a blend of science and strategy, ensuring that future drugs will work as intended. Once a target is identified, scientists begin designing compounds. This involves creating or isolating chemicals that might interact with the target. For paracetamol, researchers tested various substances to see which could reduce pain and fever. This stage is experimental and creative, as scientists use their knowledge to invent new molecules. The goal is to find a compound that is both effective and safe. After designing compounds, scientists test them in the lab. They observe how these chemicals interact with the target and measure their effects. For paracetamol, this meant checking which compounds could relieve pain and reduce fever without causing harm. Testing is rigorous and systematic, ensuring that only the most promising candidates move forward. It's a critical step in narrowing down potential medicine. Effectiveness is key. Scientists study how well a compound works in relieving symptoms or treating disease. For paracetamol, they measured pain relief and fever reduction in controlled experiments. Only compounds that show strong results are considered for further development. This stage helps ensure that future medicines will truly benefit patients. Safety is just as important as effectiveness. Scientists check for potential side effects and toxicities. For paracetamol, they wanted a compound that wouldn't cause stomach problems or other issues seen in earlier drugs. This stage involves careful monitoring and detailed analysis. Only compounds with acceptable safety profiles move forward. Once a promising compound is found, it enters preclinical testing. This stage involves laboratory experiments and tests on cells and animals. Scientists evaluate safety, dosage, and potential side effects. Preclinical testing helps predict how the medicine will behave in humans and identifies any risks. It's a vital step before clinical trials can begin. Clinical testing starts with experiments on cells. Scientists observe how the compound affects cell health and function. For paracetamol, this meant checking for toxicity and effectiveness at the cellular level. These tests provide early clues about safety and potential benefits. It's a careful process that lays the groundwork for animal studies. After cell tests, scientists conduct experiments on animals. These studies help assess how the compound behaves in a living organism. For paracetamol, researchers monitored safety, dosage, and side effects in animals. Animal testing is controversial but necessary for predicting human responses. It's a step that helps ensure medicines are safe before human trials. Determining the right dosage is essential. Scientists use preclinical tests to find the safest and most effective dose. For paracetamol, this meant balancing pain relief with minimal side effects. Dosage studies help guide future clinical trials and ensure patient safety. It's a process of careful calculation and adjustment. Side effects are closely monitored during preclinical testing. Scientists look for any signs of harm or unexpected reactions. For paracetamol, they wanted to avoid issues like stomach irritation or liver toxicity. Analyzing side effects helps identify risks and improve safety. Only compounds with manageable side effects move forward. If preclinical results are positive, the medicine is prepared for clinical trials. This involves creating detailed plans, securing approvals, and ensuring ethical standards. For paracetamol, researchers had to prove the compound was ready for human testing. Preparation is thorough and careful, setting the stage for the next phase of development. Clinical trials are the heart of drug development. These studies test the medicine in humans, moving through several phases. Each phase has a specific purpose, from checking safety to confirming effectiveness. For paracetamol, clinical trials help prove its value as a pain reliever and fever reducer. Trials are carefully controlled and monitored, ensuring patient safety and reliable results. Phase 1 trials involve a small group of healthy volunteers. Scientists test the medicine for safety, monitoring for side effects and reactions. For paracetamol, this phase confirmed that the drug was safe at the intended dose. Phase 1 is the first step in human testing, providing crucial information about how the medicine behaves in people. Phase 2 trials involve patients who need the medicine. Scientists focus on effectiveness and side effects, comparing results to earlier studies. For paracetamol, this phase showed strong pain relief and minimal side effects. Phase 2 helps refine dosage and identify any risks, ensuring the medicine works as intended. Phase 3 trials involve a larger population, often across multiple locations. Scientists confirm results, compare with existing treatments, and monitor for rare side effects. For paracetamol, Phase 3 proved its safety and effectiveness in a wide range of patients. This phase is critical for final approval and public use. Throughout clinical trials, scientists collect and analyze data. They track patient responses, side effects, and overall effectiveness. For paracetamol, detailed data helped prove its value and safety. Analysis is ongoing and thorough, ensuring that every aspect of the medicine is understood before approval. After successful trials, the medicine is reviewed by regulatory authorities. These organizations examine all the data to ensure the drug is safe and effective. For paracetamol, approval meant meeting strict standards and proving its benefits. Regulatory review is detailed and demanding, protecting public health and safety. Once approved, the medicine can be manufactured and sold. For paracetamol, this meant becoming available in pharmacies worldwide. Approval is a milestone, marking the end of development and the start of public access. It's a moment of achievement for scientists and a benefit for patients everywhere. Manufacturing is the next step. Approved medicines are produced in large quantities following strict quality controls. For paracetamol, factories ensure each tablet meets safety and effectiveness standards. Manufacturing is precise and regulated, guaranteeing that every dose is reliable. After manufacturing, medicines are distributed to pharmacies and hospitals. Logistics teams ensure timely delivery and proper storage. For paracetamol, this means reaching patients quickly and safely. Distribution is a coordinated effort connecting science with everyday life. Paracetamol works by affecting chemicals in the brain that signal pain and regulate body temperature. Although its exact mechanism is not fully understood, it's known to block certain pathways that cause discomfort. This action makes paracetamol effective for pain relief and fever reduction, helping millions of people feel better every day. The pain relief mechanism of paracetamol involves blocking signals that travel from injured tissues to the brain. By interfering with these pathways, paracetamol reduces the sensation of pain. This makes it a preferred choice for mild to moderate pain, from headaches to muscle aches. Paracetamol also helps lower fever by influencing the brain's temperature regulation center. It acts on chemicals that control body heat, bringing temperatures down when needed. This makes paracetamol a go-to medicine for fevers, especially in children and adults alike. Despite its widespread use, some aspects of paracetamol's mechanism remain unclear. Scientists continue to study how it works, hoping to unlock new insights. This ongoing research helps improve safety and effectiveness, ensuring that paracetamol remains a trusted medicine. Drug safety is a top priority throughout development. Scientists and regulators work together to minimize risks and protect patients. For paracetamol, safety studies helped identify proper dosages and avoid harmful side effects. This commitment ensures that medicines are both effective and safe for everyone. Regulatory authorities play a crucial role in drug development. They review data, set standards, and approve medicines for public use. For paracetamol, regulators ensured the drug met all requirements before reaching patients. Their oversight protects public health and maintains trust in medicine. The ultimate goal of drug development is to benefit patients. Medicines like paracetamol provide relief from pain and fever, improving quality of life. Patient needs drive innovation and guide every step of the process. By focusing on patient outcomes, scientists ensure their work makes a real difference. Drug development doesn't end with approval. Scientists continue to monitor medicines, study side effects, and seek improvements. For paracetamol, ongoing research helps refine dosages and discover new uses. Continuous improvement keeps medicines safe and effective for everyone. After a medicine is released, post-market surveillance begins. Scientists and regulators track its performance, monitor side effects, and respond to any issues. For paracetamol, surveillance ensures ongoing safety and effectiveness. It's a process that protects patients and maintains trust. Educating patients about medicines is essential. Clear instructions help ensure proper use and avoid risks. For paracetamol, education includes dosage guidelines and warnings about overuse. Patient education empowers people to make informed choices and stay safe. Medicines like paracetamol have a global impact. They are used in countries around the world, helping millions of people every day. Drug development connects scientists, regulators, and patients across borders. This global effort ensures access to safe and effective treatments everywhere. Innovation drives drug development forward. New technologies, research methods, and discoveries help create better medicines. For paracetamol, innovation led to safer and more effective pain relief. Ongoing progress ensures that future medicines will continue to improve lives. Drug development faces many challenges. Scientists must overcome technical hurdles, regulatory requirements, and ethical concerns. For paracetamol, these challenges were met with determination and teamwork. Addressing obstacles ensures that medicines are safe, effective, and accessible. Ethics are central to drug development. Scientists and regulators follow strict guidelines to protect patients and ensure fairness. For paracetamol, ethical standards guided every step from testing to approval. Ethics build trust and safeguard health, making drug development responsible and reliable. Collaboration is key in drug development. Scientists, doctors, regulators, and patients work together to create safe and effective medicines. For paracetamol, teamwork made innovation possible. Collaboration connects expertise and drives progress, ensuring the best outcomes for everyone. The future of drug development is bright. New discoveries, technologies, and approaches promise even better medicines. For paracetamol, ongoing research may reveal new uses and improvements. The journey continues, with science leading the way to safer and more effective treatments. Drug development is a complex, multi-step process. From discovery to approval, each stage is carefully controlled and monitored. Using paracetamol as an example, we've seen how science, safety, and innovation come together to create medicines that improve lives. Understanding this journey helps us appreciate the value of every pill and the dedication behind it. Paracetamol's legacy is one of safety, effectiveness, and accessibility. Its development paved the way for modern pain relief and fever reduction. Millions rely on paracetamol every day thanks to the hard work of scientists and regulators. Its story is a testament to the power of science and the importance of patient care. The development of paracetamol teaches us valuable lessons. It shows the importance of research, safety, and collaboration. By learning from its journey, we can support future innovations and ensure medicines remain safe and effective. Paracetamol's story inspires ongoing progress in drug development. Patients are at the heart of drug development. Their experiences, needs, and feedback guide every step. For paracetamol, patient stories highlight its impact on daily life. Listening to patients helps scientists create better medicines and improve healthcare for everyone. Drug development is a celebration of science, innovation, and teamwork. Each medicine represents years of research and dedication. Paracetamol's journey reminds us of the value of scientific progress and the importance of working together. By celebrating science, we inspire future discoveries and better health for all. The journey of medicine development never truly ends. New challenges, discoveries, and innovations keep the process moving forward. Paracetamol's story is just one example of how science transforms lives. As we look to the future, we can expect even more breakthroughs and improvements. The journey continues with science and patient care at its heart.